It's already. Come with me. Yep. Not realize my daughter is filming. So come this way. Come this way. That's our dog. Come here. Come here. Come here. All right. So this is one of my favorite cuts. It's called picanha. Ugh. Anyway, so the way how you do this is come. Let me show you. Come here. Come. You turn it like this, like a letter C, but like the C is like this. Hello. So it's cool because it looks like a rock star. Because it has a mohawk, fat mohawk. Yeah. Right? Like, hello. This guy's in love. Look, he's in love. Love. Okay, so now what we do is this. Here, let me show you. Just take that. And this little probe here, you see it? You see it? All right. Yep. All right. So we're going to put it, we have to put it right in the middle. Right in the middle. Right in the middle. And we have to make it into a little C. Same thing. All right. So now, same thing. See this here? I'm putting that here. All right. But what we can do is this. Let me show you. I just thought about something. And that's what happens when you're cooking. You think, look at this garbage. Look, come here. Show you. Come. It's disgusting. Look, Chips Ahoy, mince. That's why when some people are like, oh, I can't do carnivore, all this stuff is in the house and I can't do it. It starts in here. This is your temple. That's been in there for the longest. I don't need it. I don't need it. They can eat it. I'm not going to take it away from them. They deserve. They like it. They eat it. They learn the hard way. All right, come here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use the Thai because we want the food to cook evenly. All right. So what we're going to do, right? I'm going to tie it like this. 2 loops. Whoop. Nice. All right. Nice and jiggy. Oh yeah. That's it. Now bring this over. Now we're gonna take the probe out. We're gonna do the same thing. Okay. Do this. Claudia, come on. Look. All right. We're gonna take this out. The string. Cut it. Same thing. All right. Around. And now, see how it's not tight yet? Look around. And almost there. I love cooking. When I used to work in a pizzeria, my brothers, we used to own a pizzeria, my brothers and I. And my brothers. I didn't know nothing. So I learned how to cook there. Right in the middle. Look what that looks like now. Check it out. See? Little pinwheels. Nice, right? Now, let's look at here. You're going to pop it in. Now look up here. All right? We're going to go probe cook. I know this is taboo, guys. I get it. Whoa, 135. It's medium. All right, medium well. I can't eat things that are, but it's gonna come out good. Okay. So now you go here. That's it. Now I'll see you in a little bit. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we're at the halfway mark. All right. Pull this out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Back in. All right, let's get to it. Come here. We're going to see something, but you got to be very quiet. All right, we're all done. All done. Come. Whoa, look at that.
Wow.
Beautiful. So now, oh wow, it popped. Huh. But this one didn't. Oh, what a momo. What a momo. What a momo. Anyway. Momo's got a momo. Yeah, there you go. All right, so we gotta clean this. Me, when I used to work in the restaurant, always clean. Always gotta clean. This, clean this, and clean this later. All right, so now, what we gotta do? Finishing salt. Malden. Definitely somebody from Long Island named this. Because it's not, someone normal would say Malden. But it's from Long Island. Malden salt. And you gotta grab a little bit of salt and you gotta just, sprinkle it around a little bit. Nice. But then you gotta let it sit for a little bit. Okay? Or let it sit. Let the juices kind of even out. That's someone normal. Normal would definitely wait for that. Let's see how this came out. Perfect. Let's taste it. Now, one thing I don't like is when people say cheers. It's not beer. All right, cheers. Ching ching. Enjoy. A little too close there, honey. This is so good. Now we got to get some fat. This is the most important part of this diet. This fat cap. This. You see it? Very important. You need that. Now, very important when you start. Oh, Lord. When you start this diet, just know that if your body's not used to this much fat, since you're not ingesting any fiber, which even fiber is not that great for you, but you're going to be going to the bathroom a lot because this is oil. Okay, it's a lot of cholesterol, which is good. You need the cholesterol. It goes against everything that you have ever been taught. But, big butts and I cannot lie. This is going to make you go to the bathroom a lot. So be careful. But I love going to the bathroom. This is so good. Now, this is for my youngest daughter. This is between me and my beautiful daughter that's filming right now. Now, yep. Now, what I'm going to do, look at all this juice. Look at all this juice. How awesome this is. Here. I'm going to give a little bit to my daughter. Come. Like it?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that better than M&M's?
I think it's a tie.
No, it's not a tie. It's a piece of steak. A tie I wore last week for the wedding. This is so good. So, just to let you know, my daughter is an amazing director. Really good. I don't know what that means. Anyway, love you, my daughter. I'll see you soon. Have a great one. Later.
Bye.
Bye.